Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. In this video we're going to take a look at a problem that you might come across when doing construction work. So no matter which method you use, what you can run into is too many points. So I'm going to simulate the problem. So I've got this figure here and I'm going to select some of these shapes and rotate them around the center. So I'm going to click here with the rotate tool and then let's rotate them like so. Okay, and now we have still individual shapes, but they need to be united. And what we are first going to do is make some copies of this. So, like so, for the different methods of construction that we're going to look at. Okay, so let's first select them here and use the Shapebuilder tool. This one here, Shapebuilder tool, and in order to use it, you just drag across. And you see there are too many points, like so and like so, and always there are too many points. The problem is these are overlapping and the paths are exactly on top of each other. So when you look at the outline view, you see they are exactly stacked. And that's why this problem comes into existence. So let's take a look at the next one. We're going to use the live paint and just drag over this here, and the next thing you need to do is expand this, and we have expanded it now. And then we are going to merge this and take the direct selection tool, and then we see still too many points. And then we also have the Pathfinder itself to do that. So let's select this one, and in order to combine them, hit Unite, like so. And again, when we go on the direct selection tool, you see there are too many points. Now, the first thing you can do, I'm going to undo this one here, and you can select single ones and try it again, because the shape has less complexity. So we're going to hit Unite and then go in here, but still this doesn't help. It sometimes helps with the Shapebuilder tool. So when you have the same issue with the Shapebuilder tool, then try and not select all of it, but go into the single areas of your object and then combine and subtract them one by one. So this sometimes helps. So let's undo this here. And the Pathfinder panel has options. So you can go into the options, go to the Pathfinder options, and there we have remove redundant points. And this usually is meant for straight lines. So let's try it out. And you see, didn't help really. So let's undo this. And what you can also do is go into the precision. So let's enter a lower value, like so, and do it again. And you see, this helped actually. It's still, there are too many points, but a lot less than before. So this can help. But in case this is still too little precision for you, depending on what you have to do, then the next option you have is to actually not work with these overlapping shapes. So what you then need to do is find out which is the top one. So let's apply a different color. Actually, this is the top one. And then let's go into outline view. And what you can then only do is take, for instance, the scissors tool and, cut this. So we have cut this shape, delete this one, and then we can combine these. So this is then the last straw, or next option, you start differently when building the base work for this. Another option is using the Simplify tool, but this also reduces precision. And then there's also the plugin Vector Scribe, and it has a tool to smart erase. So let's first go to the Pathfinder here. So this is a different version of Illustrator, and I have too many points here. And then we have the Smart Remove Brush tool. You can double click it and enter your options, and then you can erase here and get rid of the anchor points that are not needed. It's much more precise than Illustrator Simplify, so that is another option to repair this. But the best thing is to work in a way that it doesn't happen.